Hunter Fan Company has provided homeowners the power to control the comfort of their home environment for over 130 years. Consistently striving to provide innovative and beautiful designs with easy-to-use features, Hunter has created its line of SIMPLEconnect ceiling fans that uses smart technology to help simplify the lives of consumers. Hunter is the only brand in the industry compatible with all three major home automation hubs: Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home, which allows all consumers to easily integrate smart technology into their home.
We utilize smart home technology here, so we're big fans of it. Anything that'll make our lives easier, I'm for it.
Alexa, turn my Hunter light on.
Okay.
Hunter's diverse line of SIMPLEconnect ceiling fans provides the largest selection on the market, with more than 10 different combinations of styles and finishes that appeal to a variety of design aesthetics. To see our full line of smart home products and learn about how our SIMPLEconnect fans can simplify your life, visit hunterfan.com.